Jupiter, clear, enter display area now.
Clear, enter display, confirm contact 196.
From Jupiter, contact 1196.
Contact 196, Jupiter 1962. TCMS Jupiter 5 check-in. Jupiter. Jupiter 2. 3, 5, 6. Okay, ready, yeah? Jupiter 2 ready. 3 ready. 1, 8, 5, 6.
And control, we are checking out 2980. Good day.
Welcome, good day.
Double distance 450 go. 3, 5, 6. Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's here. First maneuver from the Jupiter. Captain Dika, call sign King and all position. Super 4, Major Iwan, call sign over. Moving to the red border, the Twitter preparing for Hurricane Smash. All aircraft will be transforming into Hurricane 2. The still an excellent maneuver requires mutual support and discipline from all members.
Smoke on, go. Left hand side, please. Smoke off federal information, go. 3, 5, 6.
And gentlemen, the team is currently in the process of descending up for aeroplane formation. Left hand, outer wings, Jupiter 5, National Master, outside Eagle, and Jupiter 6, National Rango, outside Fennec. Our program is benefited from the body by performing spectacular power moves.
Smoke on, go. Slide. Take off, go! Smoke off, go. 500 feet.
Now the Synchro is performing the maneuver called Jupiter Wheel. The aircraft make horizontal line on the same altitude, same speed, and offer in view distance. Ladies and gentlemen, the Synchro Wheel, Jupiter Wheel. We want men to remember our mentality. We weapons from our left and we can perform make loop. The Synchro will demonstrate the exit sweep maneuver. Jupiter 5 will fly in orbit and Jupiter 6 will fly underneath. The distance as close as 10 feet. Fly as a mirror. Halo none. Flying ready, the Synchro Wheel. The hero! Ladies and gentlemen, from Poland, Navi Global, displayed by 24, and it was made every company. in Vietnam, which is split of zero and tail gliding of rotation outward. Right in front of the stage. Number 6 will follow you. This is Jupiter 6 with Follow Me. This is the Jupiter Wing 5-hour span. The next by the members. On the other hand, dedicated process Louisville. Perform this maneuver requires skill and ability from Thailand. After this autonomy, the 5 and 6 is pulled out and rolling to reveal their position.
Leader benefit.
Make round good time. 6 high round.
Lock on.
Next maneuver, the Jupiter Wing.
Right hand.
And cross back. The Jupiter will be preparing for the ultimate maneuver. On aircraft will be performing vertically and at some point. The formation will fly at the ground and horizontal axis. The Jupiter will demonstrate the confidence and high speed to fly.
Nose me down. Smoke on. Good. Nose. Jupiter 1 minute. Roger. Starting. Jupiter. Cascade! Go! And smoke off, knock it off, turning left. Jupiter 2, knock it off. 3, knock it off. 1, knock it off. 5. Master, Jupiter completed.
Jupiter, Roger, join downwind runway 02 center, contact tower 118.25.
Join downwind, contact tower 1825, Jupiter 1825. Jupiter 2, 3, 5.
Display hold, course, aspect 4000.
Tower, Jupiter 5.
Jupiter 5, Singapore Tower, join left downwind runway 02 center.
Join downwind runway 02 center, Jupiter.